Hello and welcome back to Steam with Steve. So we're back into our code combat again, and we're going to go slide down, and we're up to 16B. So if we go down here, close the distance, I think we're going to be learning again about how enemies work and how we can store them as variables. So some enemies will require different battle tactics. Oh, that sounds interesting. Let's see how this one plays out. So hero must survive, defeat the ogres, grab the gems.
Right.
So we want to attack the enemy, so we're going to go hero.attack, open brackets. We don't write these in commas anymore. We actually just write the variable name now because it's not referencing a string. And we then go hero.attack enemy again. Then we want the hero to move right. We're going to move right 2 spaces. Then what should happen is we should find out a new enemy. So enemy 2 is equal to hero.find nearest enemy, parentheses, and then we're going to attack that guy. So we're going to go hero.attack enemy 2. Then we're going to go hero.attack enemy 2. Cool, let's run that and see what happens.
Move right. I see you. Move right.
Oh, okay.
Attack. But it's dead.
That's going to be a problem, isn't it? So, we forgot to move down. It looks like we only needed to attack it once, and then now we just need to go hero.move down, and then hero.move right. Let's run this again and see what happens.
Right. I see you. Move right. Move down. I can't get there.
Yeah, hopefully you can move right.
Move right.
Cool. Awesome. To make that code a bit more efficient, we probably could delete that. Let's just see what happens if we did delete that and run it.
Move right. I see you.
So he needs 2 attacks,
right.
and then it looks like the archer only needs just 1 quick little attack.
Move right.
Right. Cool. And see how both codes worked, but this was more efficient. Okay. Which is something that you may sometimes need to think about. So we'll click done there. Go back. I think that's pretty much it. We're up to number 17 then. Oh, we've got this challenge here. So we'll have a go at concept challenge the master of the name debugs. We're up to 17. Looks like 1 more challenge. So we're getting towards the last couple of ones here. So hopefully you picked up something on this. Not all enemies are created equal, so sometimes we'll need to attack them at different levels, and then we sometimes may need to modify our code once we're finished to try and make it just a little bit more efficient. Okay, thanks for coming along. See you next time on Steam It with Steve.